guys. I have a halo.
Natalie. Hey, welcome to the Katie and Natalie show.
Natalie and Katie show, actually.
It's the Katie and Natalie. Yeah, why is it the Natalie and Katie show?
Because Katie and Natalie sounds better than Natalie and Katie.
It is the Katie and Natalie show. Oh. Thanks, but it could be the Natalie and Katie show.
So guys,
if you're wondering why I'm wearing this,
Matata.
no, Katie, no. If you're wondering why I'm wearing this beautiful hat, it's part of one of our dance costumes. But they have an extra, so I was wearing it.
Flying high on the roller coaster ride.
What is that?
I like Lilo and Stitch, guys. That's the shit right there. You want to be a guest star here today? You do girls for unforgettable. Fun, fresh,
This is your personal space bubble. If anyone comes into your personal space bubble, someone should be informed. You're in my personal space bubble.
Hey, look, those things inside each other.
Oh. We're making the planet go round. Okay.
No, we're making
Shut up.
Guys, whose iPod is this? Whose iPod is this?
Don't know. Okay, anyway. So today, we are going to talk about what, Katie?
I don't know.
Ooh, I got a good one. Dysfunctional relationships.
Oh, yeah.
There is. Oh, goodness. Okay, anyway. So I think some people like when two people are together, and then some people. Shut up, Katie. Some people like it when people break up. But when you literally yell at each other every day, don't you think that something's going wrong? Maybe you need to like break up or something to make somebody else happy. But no, you just deal with it. Shut up, Katie. Breaking up with you. I'm breaking up with
I'm breaking
Katie.
up with
Now it's just a Natalie show.
Now just the Katie show.
No, it's just
It's just the Katie.
Yep.
I just looked you right in the face. It's just the Katie with one eye show.
Anyway, so today what else should we talk about? We should talk about excuses, like excuses for school. So if you need an excuse, this is a video for you.
Dog ate my homework.
That's so old school. Now it's my phone ate my homework.
What?
My printer's broken.
Excuses. Dad, who invented toaster strudel, wouldn't be too happy about that.
Pretty to do homework.
Too smart to do homework. I'm gay.
I'm blind. I can't do homework. I'm blind.
Like pie. That's why I didn't do my homework.
I like dogs.
I didn't feel like doing my homework, so I ate dinner.
Okay, I got a new idea. What do you like to do, Katie?
Hang out
I like to dance.
and sleep all day. And
Oh my God,
because
sleeping's
I'm a
so great.
fat child. Really fat.
Not that bad.
Really fat.
You're not that
Really fat.
Let's see, what else do I like to do? You suck.
Sucks.
Hey,
She sucks. She sucks.
you suck, stuff.
She sucks.
You suck.
She sucks.
Anyway,
Guys, she sucks.
you suck.
Literally, guys. She sucks.
I did not. Shut up, Katie. Anyway, what else?
Wait, shut up. I'm gonna smack her.
Go ahead. Come at me, bro. I will kill you. Anyway, so.
Booby punch. Guys, Natalie, I give Natalie booby punch.
What?
Look at these muscles.
So anyway, I was up till 1:40 last night, which is stupid because you should never be up that late and then have to go to school and wake up.
That's another excuse for not doing your homework.
Yeah, I was so tired.
I just went to bed.
I just went to bed. Most people in my school do that. They just go to bed and don't do that home.
And the worst is I forgot about it.
But that's also I feel like that's a valid excuse because I forget sometimes to write it down and then I'm just like, oh snap, we had homework. What? Yeah.
Well, I always do my homework because I'm a good child.
Yeah, I have it.
And I let people
This is
copy off
from one
my
of my
homework.
friends, but when we were doing something, this girl turns around and goes, Do you know that every time you don't do one of your homeworks, 1 point gets deducted off your grade? And she almost killed her. No.
Guys, my
Who
homework
cares
sucks.
what they're wearing on me? Do you know that's another thing? Dancer stereotypes, like when ballet is not like all this. It's not. It's like arabesques and it's all this different stuff. It's not just that thing.
What she says.
What?
I said what she says.
Okay.
I'd say that's what she said.
That's what she said is a very bad joke, and girls get very annoyed by it.
I use that term all the time.
Yeah, I'm aware, and I almost tried to kill you.
That's what she said. And Natalie just left me again.
Once upon a time, there was an ugly hula hoop, which turned into a beautiful hula hoop, which then hit puberty, and then grew into a beautiful big hula hoop. And that's how the world was created. With hula hoops.
I can on my neck. Ready, Natalie? Move out of the way. Okay, ready?
Go, Katie. Go, Katie.
Oh, yeah.
Oh! So anyway, well, we're gonna try to make. Stop it. We're gonna try to make new videos every Wednesday again. We stopped because like the hurricanes and all the bad weather.
Guys, I'm 16. And she's
Oh yeah,
15.
Katie's
No,
birthday
she's not
and my
15.
birthday.
She's 13.
I'm 14 now.
Oh, 14.
Shut up, Katie. And okay, Katie's 16 and I'm 14 now. So what? Okay. Anyway,
What?
February
What?
birthday.